In 2017, Bitcoin entered a phase of explosive growth. Its price soared, and global interest surged. During this time, Bitcoin evolved from a niche technological experiment or ideological statement into a recognized investment asset. At the start of 2017, one Bitcoin was worth around $1,000. By year's end, it had climbed to nearly $20,000, a 20-fold increase that caught the attention of not only individual investors, but also media outlets, regulators, and major financial institutions. However, this rapid ascent also sparked concerns about speculative mania and market bubbles. In August, internal conflicts within the Bitcoin community came to a head. Disagreements over network scalability and high transaction fees led to a hard fork, resulting in the creation of Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Though framed as a technical solution, the fork exposed deeper philosophical rifts within the ecosystem. It became a landmark example of the challenges and flexibility of decentralized governance. Meanwhile, Bitcoin took major steps toward integration with the institutional financial system. U.S. exchanges CBOE, Chicago Board Options Exchange, and CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, launched Bitcoin futures products, making Bitcoin the first cryptocurrency to underpin officially regulated financial derivatives. This opened a legal and secure path for institutional investors to enter the crypto market. But the bullish momentum didn't last long. In early 2018, Bitcoin's price crashed, falling from nearly $20,000 to under $6,000 in a matter of months. Governments began referring to it as a bursting bubble. South Korea introduced legislation banning anonymous crypto trading, while some countries went further by shutting down exchanges altogether. Even so, Bitcoin's technological development pressed on. Layer 2 solutions like the Lightning Network emerged, promising faster transactions and lower fees. These advances laid the groundwork for more scalable and efficient use of the Bitcoin network. In 2020, adoption accelerated once more. PayPal, one of the world's largest payment platforms, announced it would support the buying, selling, and use of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This decision marked a major turning point, signaling Bitcoin's arrival in the consumer financial space and further legitimizing its use in everyday commerce. In summary, the period from 2017 to 2020 marked a defining chapter in Bitcoin's journey. It transformed from a speculative asset into a global store of value. With growing public awareness and the beginning of institutional adoption, Bitcoin positioned itself as a permanent fixture in the modern financial landscape.